Hello guys, I just took a shower. My hair is slightly damped and I'm going to try something new with it. I'm gonna braid it and then go to sleep and then see how it turns out in the morning. This is kind of like a mini hair tutorial. I'm going for like a beachy summer vibe feel. So have my husband braid it for me because I suck at braiding. Okay, Brian.
Sleeping?
Yes.
That husband?
It's 3 a.m. in the morning and I'm like super bored. We gotta braid my hair before it dries, Brian. The importance of being a woman. All right, so let's braid my hair. Before I braid my hair, I'm going to just take a little piece right here and hold on to this, and then I'm gonna put my hair upside down and have Brian braid for me. Come on, hubby, girl time. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair upside. Divide into 3.
3? You said 1 braid.
No, divide my hair into 3 and then just braid it. Don't braid it too tight. Just give me some room up here.
So like middle and sides?
Okay, go ahead.
I'm just gonna try it and go with it.
Don't braid it all the way down to the bottom. Give it about 1.5 inches room at the bottom, okay?
We'll see. Okay, and it needs to be even, huh? Meh, even enough.
It's really hard standing like this when I'm 24 weeks pregnant. How you doing there with the braids? Do you think it'll turn out cute?
Don't know. So?
We're almost there. So leave about like 1.5 inches at the end, okay?
What?
A little bit more. A little bit more. Who taught you how to braid?
See this all the time. There, it's good enough?
Okay, and then tie it. So, you didn't answer my question. Who taught you how to...
Just kidding. Everyone knows how to braid.
Well, somebody's gotta teach you.
I don't know. You watch on TV? Inside, outside? Alright, how's that?
Is it tight?
No.
It has to be tight.
Let's see how it is first in case I need to take it off.
Okay, so... There's my braid. I flipped it back. It's not supposed to be like this loose, but...
You said keep it loose. I'll do it again.
It's like...
You look at Princess Leia with the earmuffs.
It's kind of weird, but okay.
It looks a little weird. Let me see, so I know what needs to be tightened up. So this has to be tightened up. Why do you flip it back instead of just doing it straight up? You just want the braid starting from the top?
Well, yeah.
Let me see. Hold on, stand still. I guess the issue is this needs to be tight to here. So when I start braiding, this portion needs to be tight.
Okay.
It's too baggy.
We're gonna do this again because this is way too baggy. One more try.
Let me see.
One more again.
Let me see so I know. See, I need to pull those tighter. You leave it to me.
It's because my hair is really like smooth in the roots area.
Oh yeah, your hair is just too smooth.
Redo, redo, redo. How about you want me to hold one so it's tight and then you will hold one?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, hold on to that one. This one goes down first. Okay, now that one. Okay, let's see. Tight? Uh-huh. Hold on to this one. Hold on to the other hand. Oh, just drop it. So, tight or no? Okay. Keep holding on to one of them.
Okay. Oh my god. So, I guess nobody really taught you how to braid?
No, because you're giving me these requirements. When it's upside down, it's harder because it's loose. Is it loose or no?
It is loose. Just keep going.
But right now it's tight again. Like, how do you... The only way is if you go further down.
Oh my god.
Here. Why don't you go lay down? Make it easier.
Alright.
There?
Okay. 3rd time's a charm. I'm suffocating. Do you need help?
No.
You sure? Is this better?
No better, because you're less squirmy, but you're still squirmy.
Wait, it looks like you're going faster. Or feels like it. Do you think it's gonna turn out pretty?
Because your hair's so smooth.
I told you. When you have like dyed or bleached hair, it's easier to grip.
It's your fault having such healthy hair.
It's not a good thing because you lose a lot of volume when you tease it, curls, it just falls out. And you have to use like products to make it more like stiff. You can tell like but down here it's easy to work with because my hair is all fried, but here it's all smooth. This is all my natural hair. You don't believe me, but it's true. There's a reason why they say dirty hair works better when you style and volumize it. When I used to film back in my Asian Paris days, it says come with dirty hair, don't wash your hair.
I think it's just because the shampoo makes it smooth.
No, it's just you don't.
That's why.
Because you just wipe out all the oils and...
No, it's not. It's because it's shampoo. The shampoo makes it smooth. I'll tell you a secret.
What?
When I went to high school, a good, easy way to spike and style your hair
Was it shampoo?
is to not use shampoo. You use body soap on your hair. And then it comes out rough.
Oh. Well, actually, you can use shampoo. Just don't use conditioner then.
Nope.
Just use body wash.
Just use body soap.
Is that your secret?
Don't tell nobody.
Did you guys hear that? The secret is to use body wash on your hair.
Not body wash. No, body wash. No good.
What? Soap?
Bar soap.
Bar soap? Okay, good luck telling that to a lot of women who's trying to keep their hair in check.
It's still soap. Stop moving. It's still soap, and it makes your hair rough. Fine. People's gonna start using it like, oh my gosh, I don't have to be stanky, and I can still get my hair done.
You know, a lot of females don't wash their hair for a week, and sometimes even like a month or more, especially when they have like tracks in their hair. They go to the salon and have it done.
That's why a lot of females are single.
Oh my
God. I don't know if it's too frizzy, but good enough. Okay, see if that's okay.
Okay, my ends shouldn't look like that. What is that?
Okay, then you can redo them. See if this is too loose, because these are tight already.
Is there like a rubber band or something?
Yeah, well, you give me crappy things to work with.
Okay, I guess it'll be fine. So it should look like that. I mean, it's better than before. It's tighter, but it's still like, you know, baggy here. But we'll find out tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna sleep on it and then we'll check on it tomorrow. See you in a moment. Okay guys, I'm waking up right now. This is what my hair looks like. Loose, blobby. Here's the ponytail. You know, I think some hair fell. It can't hold on, it's too soft. Let's take out my hair and see what it looks like. Who's excited? So take it out slowly and make sure it doesn't frizz up, as you want to keep the curls in and whatnot. I could feel it kind of being wet here. I'm gonna flip it back. I forgot to tell you I left these because I wanted to give it like volume here and make sure it's not flat. But honestly, you could just do it too, because now I just have these two that's not done. Yeah, I should have done it. I was trying to be cute. Here it is, kind of like a beachy wave. So I feel like up here it's still very soft and not giving me enough volume. So I'm gonna go volume it. So let's do that real quick. Here's my volume. It's heating up right now. It goes up to 395. I leave it at the highest heat because it gets more action done that way. If you guys know me, then you know that I love voluming my hair. It's because I just don't have any volume for the life of me. I religiously use this like every single day. It gives life to my hair. I think every girl really needs it. It just makes your hair just that much more lively. I'm gonna go ahead and do that in the roots area. I'll link up some links to see how I use this product in detail up above here, so if you guys like missed it or you guys are new here, then you can check it out and see how amazing this product is, because it's just yes, like a big yes. Kind of pricey, about 130 when I bought it, but I see that throughout the years it went down to like 100 or even 90 something, and you can get it on sale sometimes, so that's a plus. Let me show you. Like you can see on this side of my hair already very big, and this side is just not as big. So let's go and do this side real quick. And it's so fast to get your hair to have so much volume. Very simple to use. And the great thing about this is I don't have to use any hair products. I mean, you could if you want to, but for me, I just kind of keep it very simple because I don't want to get my hair all greasy and messy. And I don't wash my hair every single day because I feel like if I wash it every single day, it's going to be taking forever to tame, and it's not very good to wash your hair every single day anyway, because you're taking out the oil, the natural oils that's supposed to help your hair stay healthy. People say that if you do this to your hair every single day, is it gonna damage? For me, so far, no, because I've done this literally for about a couple years now, and it just looks so amazing. So you guys can see, I love it already. I like the beach look. What I should have done is tie these two along with all the other ones, because right now it's just like in my face and it's not going really well with the rest of my hair. I mean, which is fine. I mean, some people have hair that they can actually blow dry it to make it whatever they want, like softer curls than the ones down here, but I think I'm okay with having it the same as my hair down here. So after you're done with this whole process, you can put products in if you want. Put texturizer so you can see the waves more, but I'm okay with that. I'm not really going anywhere, and it looks cute. I like it. This is my beachy hair wave look. Let's see in the back. I mean, I think throughout the day it's going to even be more softened up and it'll lose its curls, but I think it's really cute. It's almost like getting a perm, because a perm costs like a couple hundred and it gives you that beachy hair wave look. You could do this after every shower, like what I did yesterday with my husband. It's the first time for him, so he was kind of like not sure what to do with my hair, but it's okay. I think overall it turned out pretty good. Definitely beach ready for the summer, and the summer like literally starts on Memorial Day tomorrow, so you can do this hair for the rest of the summer, I suppose. I love it. Just put some texturizer to tame if you'd like, but other than that, you should be good to go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you guys have any questions, concerns, let me know. What are your thoughts? If you tried it, did it work? Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Toodles! Brian, come look at it. Come look at my beachy hair. How do you like it?
You're welcome.
Anyways, alright, toodles!